My Millers are back with Lulu, so we're going to be working her on her off-leash obedience. Now again, if she's away from me like this, I want to be very concise about what I want. So I'm not going to just suddenly just tell her something. There's got to be things that go with it, so I'm going to be very specific. Lulu, good heel. Every time I say that, I'm hitting that page up. Good, girl. Good. Keeping this hand bent. Heel. Good. Down. Good girl. Down. Wonderful. All right, so we're going to start her on the going and the place thing, too. So that way you can maybe do that at the office if you bring her in there. Good. In your place. Good. Down. Good. I did right there to get her over on that down. Hip was I just moved a little bit. Down. Good. Good. All through. Just releasing her with the click of the page. And right now we're not going to require her to stay there. We just want her to go there. In your place. Lulu. Lulu. Oh, good girl. Down. Oh, and she can jump too. She's not. Just move slightly. Good. I just moved slightly that way. She went on her hip. All through. Good, good, good. In your place. Good. Down. Good. In your place, I'm holding the pager down, holding it down, letting it up. Down. Good. All right, Shane, we'll make you a little phone video.